Okay, I just built a new house, just moved in, and part of our design, we did a ton of research. We could have had a gas cooktop. We have gas. In fact, we had a gas line pulled in, just in case we did want to use gas. But we did all this research and found that the induction cooktop offered a lot of safety features and seemed to be more efficient and cook faster and all that sort of thing. So we decided to take a chance and go induction, and if we decide that we don't like it, we can always put a gas one in, so no big deal. But this is it. This is our induction cooktop, and I've never used it before. We had to buy special cookware. This is the cookware we're running, and it says induction ready right on there. And this isn't like a typical electric cooktop. It runs on electricity. It uses electricity, but it's magnetic. So it uses these elements produce a magnetic field that creates the atoms in the pan essentially to heat up. Right? And that's a very layman sort of explanation for how it works, but it uses magnetism, essentially massive magnets that generate the heat in the pot or the pan. So I'm going to turn this on, see how it works. So let's see, we're going to power it up. And let's turn this one on. I think that's the one we're looking at. And let's crank it on up. Okay, so it's kind of cool. It's got a little blue light that shines on it. You can already hear it. Now it's supposed to cook super fast, and it's working, that's for sure. It's yeah, it's going. So anyway, it's supposed to be a lot faster than gas. Shoot, you can already see. Yeah, that's working quick. Heck, I don't want to get my phone too close to it. My magnetism might do something to it. But anyway, yeah, this is actually a Samsung unit, and we like it because it had this square element, so you can put like square type cooking pots or pans on there, and sometimes you have like different kinds of square type. So we like that. We like the touch features of it. Even the blue illumination. It's a nice touch. It just tells you it's on. Oh shoot, look at that. I mean, it's just been seconds and we're boiling water. Wow, that works really good. And again, this is special induction cookware that we're using with it. So anyway, that is our induction cooktop demonstration. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using it.